Hello everyone. Right, welcome to this this stream. So we are going to do a Nibbler style game, and what I was thinking of doing was coding it for the C64 and using standard sound effects, no sprites, so it'd be character based. If we had in-game music, then fine. If there's any musicians out there that wants to do in-game music, if they want to do sound effects, that's fine. But what I was thinking was, if we have time, if we write it right, we could degrade it down to PET and do a Commodore 16/+4 version. If we have time, if we code it right, yeah. So 64 first, and then we'll take it from there. Have you eaten that? There's no way on this planet you've eaten that, mate. Go back and finish it off. Go back and finish it off. There's nothing else. Not until you finished it. So we are going to as a team, we're going to submit. Now, SP and I have been talking, and so I've got some things that to discuss. So we're going to be looking for people making maps. Yeah, we're going to be looking for people making maps, and I don't know what you're looking for, mate. It's in your bed. You put it in your bed. Alright? You can look, mate. You're not getting anything else until you've eaten that. So, we are doing 2x2 tiles. I think this is right, isn't it, SP? Doing 2x2 tiles, and it's going to be 20 columns by 10 rows. So, it's going to be 40 columns by 20 rows, which gives us 5 rows for the dashboard. Yeah, the hood. So, and what I want to do is, we're going to have to, because I was thinking about this, we're going to have to reserve some character numbers, because if we're going to get different people doing different maps, and you could have a different, what I'm thinking of is, if you do a map and you want to theme it somehow, then right, theme the map, and we'll import the character set and everything. Yeah, so it makes it that when we go from one level to another, it could be a completely different style. Yeah, so we need to have some sort of character reservations and stuff like that, because, dude, what's the matter? It's in your bed. It's in your bed, mate. You haven't eaten it. I know you haven't eaten it. I know you haven't eaten it. You're not getting another one until you've eaten it. So we've got what, 6? That's 6 weeks. 1 month and 16 days. What's 6 weeks? 7 tars. Right, it's more 6 than 7, isn't it? More 6 than 7. So we're going to code it in for the 64, primarily for the 64. And if we have time, we might retrofit it down. If we have time. So that's what we're going to do. Right? So we're going to do this, and we're going to do Asteroid. So we're going back to 6502. Everybody has a sigh of relief as we're going back to 6502. I was thinking of keeping the main player as a character wide, otherwise it wouldn't fit. Yes, exactly. That's why when you said a 2x2, I thought that'll work, because then each tile is going to be a wall and a space, isn't it? So it's either a corner, a wall, blocked off, or whatever. So yes, why not use the first 128 First 128 for letters and numbers, and fix characters. Well, 128. 128 characters. Would that be too much? Well, we'll talk about it. Right, so we've got what, 6 weeks to do this in. So that's 12 streams. Should be able to do it. So let's start up. Let's see if we can get up and running. So I've got to start a new project off. All right. I should do it in one stream. I'm not doing it in one stream. If you are doing a raster split, yes, I was thinking of doing a raster split, mate. You can just have 2 character sets, one for the HUD and the characters, one for the graph customer. Yeah, I was thinking of doing a raster split, Right, so let's start. Let's create a folder for this. Right, so new folder. So VSCode.c64. Now, we don't know what to call it, so I'm going to call it Retro Snake at the moment until someone gives me an idea for a game name. I have an idea, but I think it's rubbish. My idea, I don't think, is at all any good. Right, so let's copy a few things. Dude, if I go to your bed and there's a biscuit in there, mate, I'm telling you. Is there a biscuit in your bed? Is there a biscuit in your bed? Come here then. Here you go. You ready? There you go. "24 hours is your record in it." Oh, that was for Python, yeah. Aston treats. Serpent. What? No series. Someone from RPI. Hungry Aston. Hungry Aston. Okay. Right. Let's get some. Let's get some standard files set up, shall we? Right. So let's C64. Right. What's a good one to plagiarize? We'll go there. We'll go there. Where is it? Where's the workspace? There it is. Oh, where did I? Where is it? VSCode Retro Snake. Oh, there it is. Cool. Couldn't see it for looking. Right. Let's open workspace from file. So that should give us big fonts. There we go. Right, so that's sorted. Right then. Let's do, let's have one of those. Plagiarize retro game devs libs for any of his 2 books. Yeah, I wasn't, you know, I did wonder whether we could use his libraries, but if we had more time, then I'd probably do that. But yeah. But yeah. If we had more time, I'd probably do that. Right, so let me initialize this repo. Right then. So we need some folders in here. New folder. So we need a bin folder. New folder. We need a music folder if we're having music. We'll have a SFX if we're having sound effects. What else? What else? What else? I suppose we could nick some constants, couldn't we? We could nick those files. Definitely take those. Dude, I don't know what you're waiting for, mate. Right, so we've got the joystick. So we need the constants file. We've got the keyboard. And we got some macros. So shift characters left. Add score. We may strip out some of this stuff. We may strip out some of this stuff. Emmanuel accepts a sausage dog instead of a serpent. You had to check. All right. Nico Mo. Well, yeah, could be. Could be. Could be. What else do I need? I need the constants, don't I? There we go. Let's grab the constants. Dude, I don't know what you want, mate. Alright? I don't know what you want. Right, that should sort the joystick out. Yes, that does that. Does it sort the macros out? I don't know. It did say it had to be a snake. Did it say it had to be a snake? No, it says snake-like game. Okay. There says it has to be a snake in it. Oh, well, oh, right, okay. Nico the sausage dog would have been better. No, Aston the sausage dog, yeah? You want to be immortalised, mate? I don't know what you're waiting for. Do a snake enemy. Right. Okay, let's carry on. So we've got some macros, but we're going to take some of these out. We're going to take some of these out because some of these are not what we need. Right, what else can we plagiarize? What else can we plagiarize? What's in that? Well, we could plagiarise some of that, I think, but we'll leave it. Oh, we need the map code, don't we? We need the map code. Where do we put the map code? Where was the map code? Was it in screen? What's the matter? You've had 2 biscuits, mate. Right? It's only because you've been asleep all afternoon. Where is the map code? Display title. I'm sure there was a dedicated map file.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoiled me.
Okay, Docster. Alright. Okay, Docster. I'll give him another one. You looking? There you go. Go find it. Go find it. Half the fun. Isn't the map just a screen? Yes, but I was looking in the screen. But I can't seem to find it. I wonder if it's in utils. I don't. Utils, right. Renos, add score, high score, new. Oh, I'm looking in the wrong place. Nico's run didn't have maps, did it? What had maps? What had maps? Hunchback. Hunchback had maps. Aha, game maps. There we go. There we go. So we'll grab that and then we'll modify it. Right, get rid of 4-way scroller. So this is the sort of thing. Initialize the map. Yeah. Initialize map variables. Export. Oh, that'll be useful as well. Export level character sets, because if we're going to have different people creating character sets. No, dude. I am not feeding you. I'm not going to feed you biscuits all night, mate. Right. So we'll just rename this. Now we're going to add another file called game. So game suggestions. Right, we had a few things knocking about, yeah? So it's going to be a Nibbler style game. Aston stretches as he eats food. We'll just say food for the moment. Possibility of a Nico ghost. That it's going to be character based. What else did we have? Right, map definitions. So it's a 2x2 tile set. and 20 by 10 map size gives 5 rows for the HUD. What else are we doing? He's not letting it go, is he? He's not letting it go. Oh, you can't see him. You just can't see him. Mate, I don't know what you want. You went out. Did you do anything when you went out? Hey?
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
What? What?
Hi, John here.
Oh.
Another subscriber.
Oh
Stay
my
a
god,
while.
more bits?
Stay forever.
Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
What's going on? What's going on?
Hi, John here. Another subscriber.
Oh no,
Stay a while.
Docster!
Stay
Docster!
forever.
Docster!
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Okay. This is from SP, right? This is from SP, you see?
Hi,
Biscuit,
John here.
go fetch.
Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Who's got? He can smell it. He's looking for it now. What's the cable, mate? He's got it. He's got it. Right. So, a 20 by 10 map. So, so we need to set up the map definition. We need to set up the character definition. So, what else? What else? Right. So, I had some ideas about difficulty. Right. So, obviously we need a puppy mode. Yeah, obviously we need a puppy mode. So what I was thinking was how to make it more difficult. Yeah. So there is the things that I came up with was that we would have speed. Yeah. So as the player progresses, it progressively gets faster and faster and faster. Yeah. So that would be like, so to simulate speed would be reducing the delay of the game. Yeah. The next one would be to have so we're calling it cookies, aren't we? The food is cookies. Yeah. Oh, let's put that here. So foods. So we've got cookies. Yeah. So what I was thinking was to have crumbs. Right. Right, cookie crumbs. Now, this makes Aston grow faster because you're eating crumbs as you're navigating around the map. So if we say if we put the cookies on the screen, yeah. Right. So in easy mode or something like that, the map would be clear except for cookies, yeah. So you gained length when you ate a cookie, but let's say if you with hard mode, we could fill all the rest of the spaces with crumbs. So is that what we're going to call it? There you go. Is that what we're calling it? So we're going to have that. That's right. So difficulty. Easy. Normal. Hard. We'll see. We'll see if we want a mental one. So speed would be a thing that makes it more difficult. Having the crumbs, obviously, more cookies. So as you progress, more cookies become available. But then that means you get more points. Oh, what else do I think? Oh yeah, walls. Walls won't hurt you. Yeah. So will stall. But we're gonna have a timer. Yeah. We're going to have a timer. So timer speeds up when motionless. Right, so if you stop, the timer speeds up. Yeah. Secret walls to pass through. Oh, okay. Secret walls for shortcutting. Yeah, we can do something like that. What else? What else? So when you come to a wall, if you haven't entered any input, it would stop, but then the timer would speed up. Yeah. What else? What else do we need? If we have time, bonus biscuits. Oh, gravy bones. Gravy bones. Great. I mean, do we want to copy Nico's run when we had bonus? Skazlin, hello. Cool, it's been a while since you've been around. Hello. Doors and switches. How would we do the doors and switches? Hey, FaiRLane. Your homework ate your dog. Well, oh, look at this. Oh, you can't see him. He's just out of focus. What are you waiting for? Hey? What are you waiting for? Patiently sitting. You can only just see him, look. What are you waiting for?
Oh my god.
Oh, Docster.
Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Oh, Docster. You're spoiling. Alright. Docster's bought you a biscuit, look, mate. You looking? You see? Yeah? Right, go fetch. You've been busy. Yeah, haven't we all, mate? Haven't we all? Right. I have done the message. I have done the message for the cheers, but I'm not too sure if I like it or not. Hang on. Let me. We digress. Oh, don't tell me you've come back, mate. Right, this is what I came up with, but I'm not sure I'm happy with it. Alright, so let me play it. Where are we? Here we go. Here we go.
Oh my god, more bits? You guys are going to make Aston fat. Thank you very much.
Did you hear that? If you didn't, here we go. Oh my god, more bits? You guys are going to make Aston fat. Thank you very much. So, I did record that, but I'm not too sure if I'm going to use it. But you are going to make him fat. Believe me. The amount of biscuits you keep giving him. Right. Have your biscuit that's in your bed. Have your biscuit that's in your bed. I know it's in there. Have your biscuit that's in your bed. In your bed. Hang on, guys. Did you eat it? He ate it. I've never seen him eat one of these that fast. You want another one? Come here then. There you go. It only takes him a while to chomp on those. There you go. John, you can have a biscuit too. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I don't bring biscuits up here. Oh, more biscuits. My vet is going to moan at my dad. Well, it's their fault. They told him he needed to put weight on. Right. So, what else? What else do we need to think about? Yeah? Why not get someone else to record it as if Aston is saying thanks? Ooh. I wonder if my dad's up for that. By the way, my father has got a YouTube channel. Would you believe it? Would you believe it? Where is he? Where is he? Where are you guys? Dale Tube. Dale Tube. No, no, no. He's. I'm trying to find him. He's been doing it a while now, but he got hold of me and said, "Look how many subscribers I've got." I'm just trying to find his channel because I was just wondering if my dad would get me dad to do it. Oh, where's his channel? I'm trying to remember what his channel name is. Oh, that's annoying when you can't remember. Right, here we go. That's done it. It starts with a V. There we go. There's the badger. There's the badger. There's my dad's channel. Oh, I've subscribed to him. There's my dad's channel. He's got 441 subscribers. He rang me up when he got 400 and going, I got 400. But he does video editing. He's doing video editing. It was my fault because he's been doing videos all his life, right? So he's very good at creating videos, editing, videos, weddings, and all that stuff. Yeah. And I said, well, why don't you do a channel? Show people how to do stuff. And now he's doing hit film because I went and said, why aren't you doing hit film? Hit film's free. Everybody's using it. Why don't you do hit film? And so he's doing hit film. So that's his channel. But if you listen to his videos, I'll have a word with him, see if he's up for it. But if you're into video editing, there's my dad. Support me, dad. All right. Right. So it's enough. It's enough shameless promotion of somebody else. Right. What else? What else are we gonna do? Right. So let's put in some numbers, shall we? Oh, what's the matter? Dude, come on. No, I'm not giving you anything more, not until I'm told. Right, cookies. So, ads. So how many characters should a cookie add? You got 4 subs. Let's be sure. So for a cookie, how many should we add for a cookie? How many do we add? 4? And the crumbs adds 1. Yeah, I know you're close to 5k, mate. I've seen your channel. Right. Gravy bones is a bonus, so that can be a points bonus rather than anything else. So easy's right. So puppy mode is going to be slow, extra slow. No crumbs. Alright, so easy's going to be slow, no crumbs. No, we won't have any bonuses on there if we do it. Oh, Gary, you've got 66, have you? Oh, well done. Well done. Right, so normal's going to be normal speed. But no crumbs. Hard is going to be... should we do normal? No, normal and crumbs. And mental, if we get to do it, will be fast and crumbs. Oh, 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 oh. Not smooth scrolling, right? Not smooth scrolling, character scrolling. Nicomo. Should we do that? What's the matter? Are you wanting to go out? I'm not giving you any more biscuits. Are you wanting to go out? I'm not giving you any more biscuits, mate. Oh, should we do that? Should we have the level bigger than the screen? Hey, Mikroman. Yeah, it would, wouldn't it? Yeah, that. And also, yeah, would it make it too hard? Would it make it too hard if we did that? That they couldn't see where everything was. That's the only thing. And also, would it... Yeah. It's a nice idea. Let's put it down. So level bigger than screen, char base scrolling, say 80 by 40 map. Does he? Yeah, it looks like it. Problem is, he fell down the stairs yesterday. He slipped, fell down the stairs, and now he's a bit tentative. Are you wanting to go out? All right, right, guys. I won't be a second. All right, I'm just gonna take him out. All right, and we are back. Well, I am. He's still downstairs. Yeah, I think he slipped. I think he slipped going down the stairs because all I heard was the aftermath. So the cushion, the pillow at the bottom of the stairs now reinstated. So that's there now. But he's a bit tentative going down the stairs now. As you saw, he was dancing around. I think it scared him a little bit. So. But he's getting old. He's getting old. Also, I think his eyesight's getting. I mean, I think his eyesight, and he's blind in one eye, but I think his other eyesight's starting to go. But he's still around. He's still around, and I can hear him downstairs. I think. Oh yeah, he's trying to come up the stairs. Here he comes. You'll see him in a minute. There he is. Right then. So we've got a game. We've got a game. I do like. Did I turn off the light, buddy? Yes, I did. I do like the scrolling thing, but I'm not. I do like the scrolling thing, but we may have to. We'll add it in after, if we've got time. Make the maps bigger. Right, so we need to get started. So we need to. Do you think there's anything else that we need to put in? Yeah. So it's not food, it's cookies. Multicolour or high res. Oh, SP and I, we said multicolour, didn't we, mate? We said multicolour. I think that's what we said. So it's gonna be in multicolour. Yes, we can have high-res ones. We can have high-res characters and multicolour. But we'll code to have multicolour, like we did with Hunchback. Oh, he's staying out of camera shot, isn't he? Oh, there he is. There he is. I think he's hunting for more biscuits. Right. So, what should we do first? Should we build a bog standard map so we can work with maps? And then figure out how we're going to do the characters. All right, let's fire up Charbase. What's it?
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Oh dear. Oh dear. Hang on a sec. Right. There he goes. He's got his biscuit. You see him hanging with his leg hanging out the bed. Right. So, tiles. So it's going to be tile based. Yes. 2x2. Whoops, 2x2. Right. 20x10. Is that a heated doggy bed? Yes. Yes, it is. Because we had no central heating. I had no central heating for months, didn't I? So I had to keep them warm somehow. Right, SP. Have you got a map file? Yes, I mean, I've got mine on. SP, not yet. Right, okay. So we need to define. Now, what I want. Right, so here's some requirements for this, right? What I wanted to do was to give the impression of smooth scrolling for the characters, yeah? So what I was... minus 21. Oh my god. So what I wanted to do is give the impression of smooth scrolling, yeah? Which means having 4 chars for Aston. Whoa. It's there, but mate, it's in your bed. It's in your bed, mate. It's in your bed, look. He's found it. He's found it. Search and destroyer. Yeah. Right. So 4 animation. 4 animation characters for Aston. Yeah. So this would be 4 for the head. 4 for the body. 4 for the tail. Right. So we've got 4 animate. So we got 4 characters to animate Aston, but the problem is for all 4 directions. So that means that we've got 3 times 4 times 4 characters. Which equals 1248. Yeah? So 48 characters, and it's only to give the impression of scrolling, yeah. It's just to give. So when you move left, we run through 4 animation cycles before it moves. I don't know whether it'll work or not. I don't know. Maybe it's more than 4. Maybe it's more than 4. Because we got the character cross as well, haven't we? The character crossing. I'm trying to explain. Is that 8? So what I was thinking of was, you know, we'd have like this sort of effect, yeah? So, oh, it would be 4, wouldn't it? It would be 4 because the next one, this one would be that. But it means that for each character it would be 2. So it would be 2. So we'd have 2 for the head. So that's 2 times 4 for the head, 2 for the body, and 2 for the tail. So this whole thing then gets oh, that may be too much. 96 characters just to do animation. No, I think animation's gonna. I think we're gonna have to not think about animation. Have the head stationary, move the tail and maybe animate the body. Yeah. Have the body animating and just, yeah. Because I thought it would give at least the impression of scrolling. Well, give the impression of smoothness. Maybe it's just too much. Maybe it's just too much. I mean, to be honest, no, it wouldn't be for each character. It'd only be for the head or tail, wouldn't it? Because the body's going to be always constant. There's a C64 version of Nibbler, is there?
Julie is a WordTune user.
Maybe I'm overthinking it. Maybe I'm overthinking it because that's a character moving at a time. But having it at normal speed... Maybe I'm just overthinking it. That looks alright, doesn't it? Right, that... Right, okay. Okay, we'll do it like this. We'll do it just because that is pretty smooth. It gives the impression of smoothness. If I slow it down, it's definitely character based, isn't it? Yeah, it is. It's definitely just character moving. See tip number 2. Oh, don't complicate your life. Right then. Okay. So, let's not do this, but I do want 4 animation characters for the body. So the body looks like it's moving, yeah? So we get the impression that the body's moving. Alright, so that means that we have got, so we have 4 for the body, and then 1 for the head and 1 for the tail. So that's 6 characters. Oh, I'm sure we can handle 6. I'm sure we can handle 6, but for all 4 directions, yeah? So for all 4 directions. So that's going to be times 4. So that's going to be what? 24? 6, 12, 24? 24 characters. That's better. That's better. So we need 24 characters. So we need 4 characters to show body animation. And we'll keep the head and his tail just 1 character. Yeah, it's more manageable. Yeah? Right. So we need to reserve 24 characters for Aston. Yeah? Because Aston is going to stay the same. Aston is going to stay the same. His environment may change, but Aston will stay the same. So we need to reserve 24 characters, don't we? Now, let's say if the HUD is going to be on a different character set, so I don't have to worry about that. So let's see, 24. Where are we there? character 0, 25, so we need to go down 1. Right, so if we say the first 24 characters, right, are for Aston, for Aston's animation, then the rest can be whatever you want. Yeah? So let's just do some basic characters. Oh, in fact, so I'm going to do some basic characters. There's one. Oh, hang on, it's a 2x2, isn't it? No, but that's right, that'll be fine. What else is there? What else is there? Oh yeah, there's going to be this. This is me just playing, right? This is me just playing, so please don't think that I am dictating what this is, what it's going to be. This is me playing, just trying to get my head around what we need. So let's do, which is paint, which is brush, character brush. So let's do that. We'll add another one in there, which would be that side. Ooh, yes, we need another one, don't we? So there, there, there. So you can see where I'm going with this, yeah? That's the two top. So we need now the bottom, don't we? And we also need a space one. Now, I'm just wondering, can I insert? Oh, it's a bit late now. Oh dear. Copy, paste, whatever. Oh, you joking me? Why does it do that? Why does it do that? Oh, I just want to insert one. Insert one. Come on. Let's do that. Right, copy that. Paste it in there. This operation requires the project character set and tile set to be decompressed. It wasn't compressed in the first place. No. Oh well. We'll have to stick with that. Right, so that's the brush, isn't it? Oh, I'm missing characters, aren't I? Okay, so I need 2 more. So I need there, don't I? Oops. Oh, he's gone to the other bed, hasn't he? Oh well. Right. Is that right? Press insert. Oh, what? That deserves some points. That does. That deserves some points. Right. So let's see. Oh, I'm making a right hash of this, aren't I? Oh, that doesn't quite work. Oh, rats. You can see what I'm trying to do, yeah? You can see what I'm trying to do. So first 20, right, so we need to write that down, yeah? So where is it? So the character set. First 24 chars are Aston based. So let's get this sorted. So 1 head char times 4 for north, south, east and west. Then we're going to have 4 body characters times 4 for north, south, east and west, and 1 tail character times 4 for north, south, east and west. And if we keep the north, south, east and west, then we don't have to worry about, we'll just use indexing for that. So that should be 4, 16, 4 plus 16 is 20, plus 4 is 24, which is the same number of characters. So map chars can be from character number 25 onwards. So for all you people that want to do maps, leave the first 24 characters as is, and everything after that you can do what you like with, yeah? Right then. So. Yes, FaZe, I will do that, mate. No worries. No worries. Well, I ain't got the music going, mate. Oh, that's got the scrolling effect. Right, let's slow that down. Yeah, that's got the scrolling effect. Hang on, that's got cookie crumbs. That's like cookie crumbs. Oh, I want to do that now. I want to do that now. No, I don't want to. I don't want. I'm not on about the map. I'm not on about the map. It's the snake animation. I want to do the snake animation.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
Check out Serpentine. See, they're doing as well. That is not character-based movement. That's half characters. To be honest, they look like sprites. Yeah, I want to do this animation. Right, can I slow that down even further? I wonder if I've... Yeah, I was just... I'm trying to slow it down, but I can't slow it down any further. Hang on, can I... Let me freeze frame it. Can I move it forward? All right, here we go. Here we go. Right. So, let's see. Right, that's the character. So, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, okay, so that's three characters per move. So that's 3 characters per move. Wait for him to move. Right. So let's have a look. Right, that's so 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Right, that's only 2. It's only 2 characters. So that's only 2 characters. So there's 2 characters to animate that snake. Yeah, it's moving 4 pixels at a time, isn't it? Right. I want to do that animation. You know, if they can do it, I can do it. So, we're going to need 2 head characters times 4 and 2 tail characters times 4. That means we're going to need 2 for the body. So we'll keep everything the same. So that's going to be 6 times 3 characters in 4 directions. So that's 12, 48, isn't it? But I did notice, no, not on that one. That it's got a special character on the corners. But that's not animated. Yeah, they're not animated. Right. So the body character. So we got body characters, and then we have 4 body direction changing chars north to east, east to south, south to west, and west to north. They're all the different combinations, because north to west is that. It's going to be the same because we're not animating it, so it's going to be the same. So we need 52. So once you've done one set of the 2 body characters, the 2 head characters, the 2 tail characters, then we can use Shepard to just rotate them, yeah? So we'd rotate it to get the east versions, rotate again to get the south versions, rotate again to get the west versions, and then it's just the body change directions. So that might not be too difficult, but it's now 52 characters just for Aston. So we're having 2 animated characters for Aston and 2 for the body for all 4 directions. Yeah. But once we get... I'm not expecting everybody to build the Aston character. No, once the Aston character's been finalised, that's it. What I want people to do is concentrate on building unique maps, yeah? Building a unique map, and then Aston runs around that unique map. We just have to make sure that the Aston's base colour is black, yeah? So if they choose a yellow multicolour, then Aston will have yellow or something like that. Right. So I think we've got a basic set of rules there. Basic set of rules. So where to start? Where to start? Let's save this. Test map. We'll also export it. Export binary. Everything. So we should have characters. Okay. So let's create our startup file. Oh, right. Right, so, right, let's do this. Define C64. Basic bookstart 2 main. Right. Let's get the maps in. See if we can do it similar to what we did with Hunchback, because we're going to have multiple maps. So let's try that one, because that worked pretty well. That did. What did we do for Hunchback? I'll do a quick modification. Right, so we had an area called Maps. Right, so test. That's the one. So we have maps. Then we had char sets. Right, next one's going to be tiles. What have you missed while he was away? Right. Char attributes. Char attrib. Char attrib. Attrib. Right, char attributes.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
I think he's asleep, mate. Let's have a look. I think he's asleep. Yeah, he's asleep. I'm not sure if the cable would get anywhere closer to him, so I won't bother him at the moment. Right, so let's put some things in here. Right. Thank you for all the bits, by the way. Hey D-Type, welcome. Yeah, I've put it into the. I'll put it in the reserve. Right, then we had tables, didn't we? We had tables that defined where everything was. So right. Right, so that would be our, that's going to be the table information. So when we say load level 2, we'll know, or screen 2, we'll know which one, because we're going to be time each one of these levels. Each one of these levels is going to be 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah. Now, where's my map library? Where's my map library? Where? That's going to be in Twitch streams, isn't it? Can anyone remember what Twitch stream it was? Oh, here we go. Ah, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Right. So let's create a lib. Oh no, game maps. Let's keep it the same. Right, import once. Right, let's grab this. Right, this was the code that we did in the Twitch stream when we was messing around with when we was messing around with the charpad. So this is Twitch stream, Twitch lesson 2. So if you want to go to Twitch lesson 2, that's where the source code is. So that's where I've just nicked it from, yeah? So we're going to need a new file. Give me a new file. New file, here we go. Game storage. Oh, import once. Right, so we've got right. So we're gonna group it. So maps. or I should say map. Right, so map row. Column. What else? Tile number. That's it. Right. So let's go back into maps. Now, have I got any constants with all that in? Yes, I have. Right, so we're going to put the screen at the typical place for the moment. And we'll leave it there. So game maps, we are going to import constants and import right, so these we're gonna have to do something about, but this is now game storage. One thing that we haven't done is this. Now was that did we do where is it? Where's Nico? Game storage. Did we make it a namespace? Yes, we did. Right, let's get everything started properly. Right, so this is storage. No, it's not that. Storage dot map dot row. Column. Tile number. In fact, that draw tile doesn't need to be there. This doesn't need to be here. I'll rem it out just to see if it causes any issues. Right then, so we need some variables. So we need here map low. map height. Map tiles, low. Character lookup. Colour information for the tile. Well, it's not going to be the tile, is it? Because we're going to be doing it character based. Right, so we need to, I need to go back to Hunchback. And because it's going to be slightly different, isn't it? We're not making it tile based colours, we're making it character based. Right, here we go. Draw tile. So we're doing that. Here we go. Right, so it's char. Draw that. Aha, right, okay. So we load that, transfer it into X. LDA, character attribute. And if you're wondering what I'm looking at the Hunchback code. Then we just mask off color data. And then store it in the character color. Then we do the tile offset. Tile offset. This is where we do the color. Right, so now we do LDA. Char color. And then here, tile location offset. That's this bit here. But that's already set. Why do we need to set it again? I don't think we need that, but I'll leave that there. And then we store color. Which is this bit. Draw tiles, increase that. CPX14 is 20, so that's the columns. And the rows, we are at 10. We're saying 10 at the moment. Right, game. Have I got game constants in here? No? Right, let's start the game constants. So we'll grab the storage and we'll use the same methodology here. game constants. Game constants. Ooh, have I got constants already? No, I haven't. Right, that's okay. Right, so game constants. What was I thinking of game constants? Oh yes. Nearly forgot. Nearly forgot. Nearly. 14 is 20. Nearly forgot. Max number of rows. Right, maps. So let's include the game constants. Night night, FaiRLane. What about all the missing semicolons? Dude, I nearly put a couple in. I'm telling you, I nearly put a couple in. Right, so so this is constants dot maps constants dot map dot. Oh, it's not doing it, is it? It's throwing a fit again. Maximum number of columns. And this one is rows. Right, let's put that in there. Anything else that is number related that shouldn't be here? Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Right. So let's wrap this. Oh dear. I hope that's the joke, mate. I hope that's the joke. Oh dear. Is it true? Oh right, okay. I suppose it does mean that you have a semi. Yeah. Right. So let's wrap this. I want to wrap this in a code block now. There we go. So now we have a code block for draw screen. So now we need the routine. We need the routine to initialize map draw. I'll put it in a code block. Now I think we've got this in Hunchback somewhere as well. Where are we? Initialize map. That's the badger. So let me just grab that for a sec. Oh, he's off. He's off. You finished, mate? You finished? Oh, dude, stop licking your bed where you've sneezed. Docster, are you still on? Oh, he may not be on now. I rang the vets. They just said that Shih Tzus do suffer from it, and the only time that I should worry about it is if there's any sort of discharge and that he's been put off his food. So I went, okay. If you're not worried, I'm not worried. Right. But as you can see, he's not been put off his food because he's eating all the biscuits we throw at him. Right, so initialize the draw. So we are going to have to take this information and store it. Oh, and we also need oh yeah, we need that, don't we? Right. Oh, do you see me put a semicolon in there? So background, border, multicolor 1, multicolor 2. Was there any others? Background colour 1, background colour 2. Background colour 1 must be a multicolour. Yeah. Background colour 2. Semicolons work with kick. Oh, that's alright then. That's alright. That's alright. So we only need the 4 bytes. We only need the 4 bytes. That's gonna be good, good, good. someone's awake. Right, so initializing the map. So we're going to take the map number, we're going to decrease it. We're going to decrease it, yes, and then so we're going to decrease it, transfer it into A. Then we're going to times by 2. And then we're going to times by 4. So when we've done times by 4, that's our colour map information, yeah? So, what's the matter, buddy? What's the matter? Are you wanting to go out again? Oh dear, guys, I do apologise. I do an ECM version. I don't know what an ECM version is. Right, I do apologise. I've got to take bugger lugs out. Right, I won't be a second. And I'm back. Right, just swapped over Nico candle because its battery's just run out. So just swapped it over. Right, let's just make sure. Right, I'm going to change these character colours. So I'm going to make that red. Oh, I'm going to make that. Oh, it's changing them all. Why is it changing them all? Have I got to specify? Right. So I want that white. Okay, so white, red, oh that's better, that, there we go. Nice, multicoloured. Oh, dude. Oh, I owe him a biscuit, don't I? I owe him a biscuit. Hang on. Docster, I'm giving him his biscuit. Oi, mate, from Docster. There you go. Behind you. Behind you. There you go, Docster. Just give him his biscuit. As you can see on the camera, it's there. Right, let's save that because that's going to test.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoiled me.
Oh, SP. God, you're spoilt, man. There you go, one from SP. I hit him in the noggin. Oh, nice. Nice emote. Nice. Right, let's export that. Export all. Right, so we should still have the same number of files. And we do. Right. So, background black, multicolored. We're not bothered about multicolored at the moment. So times by 4. So we need to store that somewhere. So I could I'll just transfer A to X. So this is the colour table offset. Then ASL times by 8, which is then, and then we'll transfer A to Y. So this is now the map table offset. There we go. We can do that. Up close you can see a lot of... Are you talking about me? Or are they talking about you, mate? You're mainly... You're black and white, aren't you, mate? You're black and white. Come here. Come here. Come here. Say hello to your adoring fans, eh? Say hello to your adoring fans. Show them that you are black and white. Eh? Eh? There we go. Show them that you're black and white, mate. Eh? Eh? Say hello. Wave your paw. Say hello. You're looking around and going, what on earth is all this? Aren't you? Yeah. Yo, man. Alright then. Alright. Your heart is going bonkers. Calm down, dude. Calm down. Ah, yawny, yawny. Where are those treats at? There you go. There you go. So he's black and white mainly, but he's an old man. He wouldn't, as you can tell, he doesn't act like one, do you? What are you waiting for now? Waiting for, eh? Anyway, right. I want to get this map thing done before the end of the stream, alright? Right, so. Need a wireless doggy cam? Yeah, I do. You gotta make up your mind, mate. Are you staying there? Yeah? There's no more, mate. There's no more. I know what you're looking. Dad! Dad! GoPro on the collar. Yeah, I think the GoPro might be way big for him. I mean, he's not exactly big, are you? Eh? What are you waiting for? Oh dear. Right. So we're going to take the multicolour information and we're going to store it. Yeah. So let's do this properly. So map colour. Comma X. Yeah. Now, why is that not... Oh, it doesn't know anything about map colour. He's waiting for... Oh my god, more bits. Is that what you're waiting for? Eh? Is that what you're waiting for? Don't talk. Don't look at me then. Look at your friends out there. Background color no. One. 2, 3. Right, that'll sort the colour out. That'll sort the colour out. Now it's the oh, Mikroman, love the emotes. Love it. Right. So, wow. Oh, the map array. The map array was in storage. Maybe I should do that as well. Yeah, let's do that. Let's put this into storage. Where's game storage? There. Let's put that there. Let's put it in storage with everything else. Map info, map color. Right, so we'll need to change this now to storage. Map info, map color. So storage dot map color dot. Oh no, it's just that. Do that. Right, so that sorts the color out. So the map info needs to go. Oh, I need to do it again. There we go. Put that there. That's it. So they need to be mapped to our initialization system here. So first things first. So it's going to be map info storage dot map info dot well, if we've multiplied by 8, we can do it. We can do it by index. Because if we have 8, 2, 5, that's 16 levels, isn't it? So fine. Do it by that. Right. So low. And then we're going to put it on draw screen. Draw screen. This map low. Maps. Dot draw screen. Dot map low. +1. So that's going to be map high. So that's done. That's done the maps. The tile set is right. Let's do this. So index 0, 1. Right. So the tile set is that. And the tile set is 4, which is then going to Has he moved beds again? Yeah, buddy. Let's do. No, stay there. Stay there, so your friends can see you. Yes, I'm gonna get additional cameras, yeah, so we can swap them about. Look at him. Look at him. Look at that face. Whoops. Yeah. Now he's looking at himself in the mirror, look. Look at me, look how cute I am. Oh well. Leave him to it. Right, so, need to get this thing going. Right, tile set. Where's the tile set? The tile... Oh, where's the tile set? That's the map. It's got to be this. Oh, yes, mate. Right, here we go. Oh, that's the tile character lookup. Oh, rats. What did we do in Hunchback? I can't remember what we did in Hunchback. Oh, hang on. Oh, is it this? That's it there, isn't it? That's it there. So it's draw screen. And map tiles low. So that's going to be high. Right, let's just get rid of this because we don't. Oh, hang on. Yeah, we need those two. Don't need that one. So we've just done those two. That's the tile set. Now the character attributes. Right, here we go. So the character attributes is there. That. So there. Whoops. There. Draw screen, and then we are doing character attributes is this. So 6 and 7. Don't need that. Don't need that. Now the character set. Yeah, the character set. We're going to have to copy the character set across, aren't we? So, where's that? Map, export level, map, export level characters. Where's map, export level characters? Here we go. Right, let's grab that. And we'll put that in here as well. So this is taking, right, we haven't set our char base. We haven't set our char base, so we will put that into the constants. We'll put it here. We'll just do that for the moment. We'll just do that for the moment. Right, so that's going to store it in that location. So we need to store the character set, which is index 2 and 3. Index 2 and 3. Oh, we also need the number of characters, don't we? Because each character set could have a different number of characters. And I don't want to blow the 8 up. So we'll do here, map, character set. Oh, character count. So test, we'll say we've got 100. That's what we'll do. So, oh, that's a point. So we're gonna have to do here. Right, so when we've DEY'd, we will store Y in map level. So we'll store Y here, so we can reload it back in. Then we can just load storage, that, comma Y, which will give us our map counter. And then we'll store that in map, export, levels, number of characters there. So that's set in that. We already know that. But, oh, it's there. That's been set there. Then we'll just JSR export level character set. So it does the character set as well as setting up the map. Right. Right, let's see if this works. So we are going to put a jump in. So it just loops round and round and round, and then we are going to JSR LDY hash 1 And let's run it. And already I see somebody that's already getting ready to... You've got so much confidence in me, mate. So much confidence. Right, let's put this lot in. Put that lot in. Oh, can't do game storage. We are going to have to move them to there. And then hash import game maps. Right, let's put a that in there. Right, here we go. Here we go. F6, everybody. Do we get a screen? No, we get an error. What we got an error? Can't import. Oh, game maps. Game maps. Right, here we go. The map symbol is already being defined. Okay, where? Oh, game constants. Well, that's in constants. This is storage. The symbol map has already been defined. C++ is... No. This... Okay, let's do this. Storage has already been defined. What do you mean? Game storage, and it's saying that map's already been defined. No. Now everything's erroring. What? Have I not import once? Game storage is there. Game constants. Maps. Oh, I wonder if it's complaining about that. Okay. Right. Let's see. What? What is already defined? I have done that, import once. I've done that on all of them. Import once, so it should only be importing it once. Oops. Oop, I've just lost Twitch. I wonder if it's that. I wonder if it can see that. Nope, it's not that. Seven errors. The symbol map is already defined. So it is complaining about the map in storage and the map in constants. So this map here, it's complaining about, and it's complaining about this map here, which is in a different namespace, so I don't know why it's complaining about it. So we'll call this map dimensions and see. No, it's not that. Right, let's just shut it down. Right, come on. What? There's nothing wrong. Right, game storage doesn't import anything else. Game constants doesn't import anything else. It says, really? Oh, you're joking me. Oh. No way. Oh, thank God for that. Right, let's take this back out because now it's complaining it can't do this. Minus typos. Oh, we got a proper error. Where's that? Game maps 135. Yeah. It didn't. All right. Okay. Right. Come on. Hey, Grey Defender. Welcome. Oh, so it was you. Well. Well done, sir. Well done. Well, it's not exactly drawing the map, is it? Oh dear.
Oh my God, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
You're fighting over the points now. Hey, Grey Defender, welcome. Good catch. Good catch. I've only just scrolled up and saw that you'd put that. Sir does have a hash in front of it. You are right. Right, okay, so now this is not what I was expecting. This is not what I was expecting. Okay. Twitch kept complaining. Right, let's find out why this is not happening. Okay, so it's got to be in my maps. This should be right. Oh, poo! I forgot. Did I do that? No, I didn't. Right. Oh, look at that. Get in there. John's a genius. Right. Right. Let's get the character set up and running. Right. Let's say, should we? We'll copy Hunchback because it's there already. Right. So where's the character set for Quasi? Game Quasi. I bet it's in there. Here we go. Right, so initialize sprite, initialize position, animate, jump, set idle. No, it's not that, is it? It'll be that if it's anywhere. Or was it? Or did we do it in the maps? Did we initialize it in the map? Yeah, it's character base, isn't it? There. But we didn't switch it. Right, we didn't switch it. I need to find out where we switched it. Or did I take that out of that export? Oh, it's annoying when you forget where everything is. Right, let's set the multicolour. That's something we don't do. We don't set the multicolour, do we? So we need to do that. Here. Because we don't set the multicolour, do we? When we should. So, where is the character set settings? Anybody know what the poke for the character set is? Out of interest. Does anybody know? Let's see if I can find it. That's sprite. Is it 1.8? Yes, it could be. It could be. There we go, that's the bit I want. That's the bit I want. So that is setting desired character bank value and screen at 4,000. Character set at 48 to 5,000. But we're not changing it. So let's put that in here for the moment. Right, let's just make sure that we're keeping our values right. Right, so if we want to keep our screen so that's a child memory. So the screen is there. So we need to make it have 0001. So if we're keeping the screen in the same position, then we need to do that. And we're going to put... Where did we say we're going to put the character set? Should we put it... Should we put it at 3000? No, that's the screen. Yeah, should we put the character set there? Let's put the character set there. So that's at 3000. Right, so we'll need to change our constants to 3000. Right, do we get a proper map? No, we don't. What am I missing? What am I missing? Yeah, we have lowercase ones. Let's do this. Because we're leaving the screen as it is, so we don't need to set the screen. It's gone a lowercase. Can we not have 3000? What's our character set at? Oh, we haven't changed the character set. 1800. Oh. Have I put it in the wrong place? Oh, I have. I put it in the wrong place. Oh. That is big. Hang on, we got a blue border when we should have a black one. Right, let's sort that out. That's here, isn't it? Storage.map color. Right, let's do it from here. Game storage. So we've got black all round, but the border wasn't being set. Oh, because we're not actually setting the border. Oh, I can't remember what it was. That one, EXT border. External colour, then 1 and then 2. So background, border, 1 and 2. Right. Let's make sure we got an entirely black screen. Well, it's drawing something. Let's turn the Let's turn this off. One one zero zero. That's right. So we're at 3,000. I do see the character set get put on it. Just can't see it. So the colour's not been put on, but it was being put on. It is being put on. I see it there. And that's the same yellow, purple. So the colour is being put on. So what am I missing? Maybe it's the character set. Maybe I've not got it in the right place. Hang on. It is at 3,000. Oh, John, you're an idiot. John, you're an idiot. Hang on. How many characters have I got? 250, 255, 256. You're an idiot, John. Oh no, I am I've done copying 100 bytes. Let's see if I'm copying the characters across. I don't think I am. Oh, I am. I am copying the characters across. Okay, so is it not the screen? No, it's there. Why can't I see it? Oh, hang on. That's the colour. That's the colour information. Right. That's the colour information. Okay. So we're storing the colour information on the screen. So it's here. So we do the char lookup. We'll get the tile character. Right, so that's the tile number. Get the character. Transfer it into X. Then we get the character attribute, which is the colour. That oh, you are joking me. Oh yeah, of course. Store X, X. No, that won't work, John. Let's do that. Oh, so close. So close. That should look like that. How many times have I written this piece of code, eh? It's gotta be... It's skipping a line, yeah. But we're storing comma X. Why am I storing comma X? Come on, John, think. Why am I storing comma X? Where's Hunchback? That's what I'm checking. That's what I'm checking. And we're back there. Right. I think... Let me run debugger. I'm just wondering if I'm still putting the colour information into the screen. Let's have a look. Am I putting the colour information into the screen? Yes, I am. So this location offset, that is the that is this offset down here. Yeah, that's that offset. So it's doing the tiles, yeah, in fours, yeah. So Y is the character. So we load the character there. And then we transfer it into X, and then we get the colour. But then we lose. Right, oh, right, okay. Okay. I've just figured it out. We lose. Yeah. We lose the character here. We lose the character, so we need to transfer it back into the accumulator. Right, let's see. Have we got the screen now? Come on. Oh, we do. Finally. Finally. Right, so I am ready for your maps. Yeah? So, like I say, I mean, you can use this as a starting point if you want. Remember the... we've got to change it now, haven't we? Because we've changed the things. So it's the right character 52. So I've got to change this now. Right, where's 52? 52 is there. Right. Zero to 51 is 52. Right, save that. Let's get rid of that little lot. Right, where are we there? 130. No. Let's do... We'll do that for the moment. 128 characters. If you want more, then add them, yeah? But the first 52 you can't touch. The first 52 you can't touch. Right, let's save that. Let's export it, just make sure that I'm still working. Oops. Right, let's change my code. Where is it? Game, storage. Because now, let's do it properly. I've got 128 characters. Right.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
First, the first character should be blank. If you leave the first... Oh, right, okay, hang on. Okay, insert. So let's change our instructions. So you're starting from 53 onwards. Yeah, 53 onwards. So we should have our first character at 53, which we do. And we'll remove that. Save. We'll do an export again. Close that. Okay. F5. There we go. There we go. Right. So we've got the map. We've got the map showing on the screen now. Get in there. So this now allows you. This now. I've put the test map in there. So you guys can create your own maps. So if you want to create a map, like I say, the first 53 characters. Well, 52. So the first 53 characters you can't touch, right? Because that's where the Aston graphics are going to be. But after that, you can build your own map. So what I'll do is I will put this into Discord. So guys, if you want to create your own level for this game, by all means, yeah. And in the next, because it's 11:30 now, so in the next stream, hopefully I'll have some levels and we can start coding the snake, coding Aston into it, so we can get the snake moving around, yeah. And we'll do that quickly and cheaply, and then we'll take it from there. All right, right. Phase, we're definitely in. We're definitely in. All right. So we need a name for the game. We need a name for the game. So suggestions, please. Bung it in Discord, and we can discuss in there. Let me check this in. Let's do that, and let's create another branch. Ready for week 2, episode 2. Just called my folder Hungry Aston. Right. Let's get this map. So let me make a copy of that and paste it, and we will call that Retro Snake Template, and we'll call it that, but Hungry Aston might be it. Right, so let me just get into my Discord and go into, so I'm going to plonk it in the T, right, I'm going to rename that, edit channel, save changes. Right, I've just renamed the T-Rex RPI Game Jam to RPI Game Jam. So I'm going to put the map in there. What's that program called? It's Charpad. There you go. So it's in the RPI Game Jam channel. Let me know if you see it. Yeah. Let me know if you see it. Right, so have a go. The more people, the more levels we have, I will include them in. The character set is up to you. If you want to do a theme for a level, we've got it now that it loads the character set in. We've just got to make sure that the Aston characters don't clash with the multicolour, but we will sort that out. We'll sort that out. All right. So the next stream will be working out the snake mechanics, the simple snake mechanics. How we're going to get the snake to go around the screen and do that. All right. So we'll get a to-do list, but this is the suggestions. So I'm going to put this into the channel as well. Let me put that into the channel. There we go. So I've put the game suggestions in the channel. So if there's any other suggestions, let me know and we'll add them and then we'll take it from there. Alright. Everyone, I hope you're enjoying getting back to 6502. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fine. The difficult bit's over. 6502 for the win, yes. And I might see you at the weekend, right? I might see you at the weekend for the asteroids. We might have a weekend stream where we're doing asteroids. Alright, so guys, thank you very much for joining me. And we will continue this on Monday. Alright, so night everyone. And I will see you possibly at the weekend. Take care. Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.